Hi everybody, it's Eric from KingSmokingPipesandCigars.com, and I want to tell you about Colibri Pacific pipe lighters. Um, the Colibri Pacific pipe lighter uh, has been around for a couple of years. Um, it's got an angled soft flame. It has electronic ignition. Um, it also has a built-in pipe damper on the bottom. See if I can pop this up here. There we go. Comes out completely. There's a little trick to getting it in. You have to put it in at kind of an angle and spin it. There's also a point at which it locks, so you can leave it in the lighter and use it to tamp down your tobacco. So one-handed operation there. It's got a nice large flame adjustment wheel that you can turn with your fingers. You don't need to use a screwdriver. And then it's got your typical filler valve right in the bottom. This particular one is a black, kind of a metallic finish. I don't know how well you can see the little metallic sparklies in there, but they are in there. So these are available in 4 different finishes. This one happens to be the black and chrome. It's also available in a wood grain finish with gold top and bottom, all the same features: electronic sparker, angled flame, tamper built in the bottom, and a nice big flame adjustment wheel. There's another wood grain with silver top and bottom as opposed to the gold, and there's also a briar burl finish. I don't think this is a real briar wrap. It looks lacquered, but for the price, I find these to be a wonderful lighter. Filled this one up just this morning, and works on the first shot. The flame adjustment, let's see if I can do this. You can adjust this up pretty high. So the adjustment wheel, I find on most lighters that I have to take them apart, make some adjustments myself to get the flame to either go higher or lower than what the typical range is for the lighter. These lighters are available individually. They're also available in sets with what they call the Sherlock pipe tool. It's kind of a Swiss Army style pipe tool. Comes on a little key ring, and that has a tamper, which you can see there. Also has a pick or an aerator, as some call it, and if I can get it out, it's got a little scraper in here as well. Let's see here. There you go. And it's got the scraper. So this is a nice little tool. The tools are available by themselves or in sets with the lighters. The tools come in either black, chrome, or red. And I'm just looking to see if there's any other colors. Oh, and there's a gunmetal as well. So you can buy the lighters individually. You can buy the tampers individually. That's the Colibri Sherlock tamper tool and the Colibri Pacific pipe lighter. You can get them at KingSmokingPipesandCigars.com. And hope you enjoyed the video. Hope to see you there. Thanks for checking us out. Bye-bye.